there! I wanted to start this How to Folding series with this particular video on how to fold a t-shirt. I'll teach you how to fold a short sleeve t-shirt and even t-shirts for kids, so stay tuned. We will start with a basic t-shirt. Place the t-shirt on a flat surface. It can be your bed or your table. We will use the neckline of the t-shirt as our guideline. Place the t-shirt facing down. Now, pinch the end of the neck on one side and draw an imaginary line towards the bottom and then pinch it there too. Now lift the shirt and place it down again. Pinch the neckline on the other side and the corresponding point at the bottom. Lift just a tiny bit so you can see where you're folding it. Now fold it. Now we have a nice rectangle to work with. Now fold the t-shirt in half. From here there are two ways to fold. The first one is to fold it in half again, and that's it. The second one is to fold in thirds. Place your hands on the t-shirt so you can see how it looks in thirds and then fold the flap where the neck is first and then the other flap. If you fold the bottom flap first, the neck flap won't be tucked in, so the shirt will not keep its nice rectangular form. This is the best way to fold a basic t-shirt to save space and to keep the t-shirts in the drawers standing up. Let's review. Have the neck as your guideline, make a rectangle, fold in half, and then fold in thirds, folding the neckline first. Next, we'll be folding a bigger t-shirt. We'll be following the same steps as the first t-shirt, but this one will require for you to fold the sleeve back. Place the t-shirt facing down, pinch the neck and the bottom. Lift the t-shirt a little bit so you know where to fold, and fold. Now fold the sleeve back so you can keep the rectangular form. Do the same with the other side. Place your karate hand in the middle and then fold in half. Make sure you leave a little bit of space at the top of a half an inch or 1 finger. Place your karate hands on the t-shirt so you can divide it in thirds. And remember to fold the neck flap first and then the bottom flap. Otherwise, the t-shirt will not keep its form. Let's try again with this t-shirt. Here, I'll show you a little trick. Place the t-shirt upwards, pinch the top neck point and the bottom. Lift the t-shirt up and then place it facing down without letting go of the pinches. Fold the sleeve to keep the rectangular shape. Pinch the neck and the bottom of the other side. Lift a little so you can see where to fold, then fold, and fold the sleeve. Fold in half, leaving a little space at the top. Use your karate hands to help you fold in thirds, folding the neck flap first. This type of folding will allow you to keep the t-shirts inside the drawers standing next to each other and save lots of space. This is my favorite way to fold a t-shirt. Folding kids' t-shirts can be tricky because they are so small. Here I'll show you two ways to fold them. With the first method, we will use the same principles as the first basic t-shirt we folded in this video. The second way to fold it is the following. Place the t-shirt facing upwards and then cross a line from the middle of the neck to the bottom. Fold the t-shirt using that line as a guideline in a long half. Then fold back the sleeves together so we can have the rectangular shape again. Place your karate hand in the middle of the shirt and fold in half. Then fold in half again. Let's review. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite way to fold a t-shirt. You don't want to miss out on the rest of this series videos, so click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!